Welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you disable the fingerprint lock into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after that select your profile. Now after selecting your profile, just simply go over security section. After going into security, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom, and after that you will get this option of fingerprint unlock. Now in order to disable the fingerprint option, you just simply have to disable this toggle and enter your password. Just simply enter the password and tap to confirm, and your fingerprint lock from Bitget will successfully be disabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.